Hello, fellow Blender Maniacs. Alex Cordabard here, and it is finally here. This feels like an early Christmas present, but Blender 2.8 is here. Now, whether you're brand new to Blender and this is your first introduction, or you're coming over from Blender 2.7, there is a lot to be excited about the new release of Blender. It's been a long time since so many changes have happened, and Blender 2.8 has been revamped with the user interface, a lot of new features, and some really cool things that we're going to take a look at in this course. So whether you're brand new to Blender or you're coming over from Blender 2.7, you're going to learn a lot in this course, and it's going to be fun because we're going to be using Blender 2.8. All right, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do in this little video is just download Blender. So go to blender.org, and this is the official site for Blender. You can see there's a bunch of different news and updates that you could check out here. But at the top of the screen, you can see that right here, we have Blender 2.8 beta. Now, when you see this, it might be Blender 2.8 official release or Blender 2.81, etc. But right now it's Blender 2.8 beta, and everything is pretty stable at this point. So let's check it out. Let's go ahead and download it. All you have to do is go right here, click on Blender 2.8 beta or wherever it says to download Blender 2.8. And then click again, download Blender 2.8. Now here we have a couple different options depending on if you're downloading it for Windows, Mac, or Linux. And of course, you have Windows 64-bit and Windows 32-bit. Now, the one you want is Blender 2.8. You can see right here. This one down here says 2.79. Again, your screen might look slightly different, but all you need to do is download the Blender version that is for your system. So I'm going to go ahead and download the Blender 2.8 Windows 32-bit for myself. It's going to start downloading here, and I'll be back in just a second. All right, now that we've downloaded it, all we have to do is click on this zipped folder and go ahead and extract it. So we're going to extract it to and find whatever location you want to download it to. I'm just going to put it Blender over here and Blender 2.8 and Blender 2.8 beta. And then click on OK. Now it's going to extract it, and we'll be good to go in just a second. How exciting. It's taking too long. All right. Maybe I'll pause the video. I'll be back in just a second. All right, now that it's done downloading and installing, go to the folder where you've downloaded it, and go ahead and once you click on there, click on this folder and go all the way down, and you will see a Blender icon right here that says application, and it has the Blender logo on here. This is the one you want. Go ahead and double click that. Click on run. Ta-da! We have Blender 2.8. We have entered the matrix, ladies and gentlemen. And now it's gonna be fun. We're going for a journey into the world of Blender. Welcome aboard, and hope you're gonna have an amazing time. I know you will. So let's go to the next video, and we're gonna take a look at this amazing program called Blender. Welcome aboard. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now. Au revoir.